What's good, y'all? Welcome to another video. Let's talk about Dennis Edwards. Don't Look Any Further. Same bass groove from Eric B. and Rakim's Paid in Full. Look, this is one of those bass lines that I've been playing wrong for years. A band leader called it the other day. And I'm going to show you, let me show you the way that I've been playing it wrong this whole time. The first part is right, but the rest of it is not. So it's A minor. A, G, A. So from the 1 to the 4 chord, so A, then that chromatic walk up to the 5. You notice the shift that I did with my hand. Now this is what I've been doing that's been incorrect. That's wrong. It's easy to do that in a pinch, but that's actually not what it is. What's happening is C, B, A, C, B, A. All right. So that's a keyboard bass in the song. So what it's important to kind of realize is when you have key bass, key bass in like those 80s funk songs or whatever, the physics is different. So what a keyboard player might be able to do on the keyboards, you definitely can't think about it the same way. So your fingerings, you might have to get creative with it. Now, I find you could do that, but then there's a string skip. You got to skip over to D. I guess you could do that. You could do that. So, long story short is what I did was I found the path of what I thought was least resistance to play the C, B, A there, C there. Now, just because I'm playing it there doesn't mean that you have to play it there. And it's one of the problems that I have with tab and things like that is because just because that's written some way doesn't mean that that's going to be the most efficient way for you to do it. And you also want to have recall. In my world, I got to have recall. I got to be able to play a line or some semblance of that line at a moment's notice. And so that's my opinion on that. So let's get into the next section. It's just going to be essentially from G to F, but the line so G9, think about a major 9. That same thing you have with that shape of so root 5 octave 9. So and also the 6 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm playing that 9, and it's good that the fret markers aren't there because you got to watch and you got to listen. Okay, so somebody made a comment the other day about you got no fret markers. You got ears, bruh. So watch this. All that is that higher octave of the G. That last time is that E, which is the 5 of the A, just going back into the groove. It's only 2 sections of the song, and those are the two sections. So I am not a fan of tab. You don't need tab. You need to connect your voice with your hands. You need to listen. You need to go down into the tunes. And I also bet that if you go to the that Dennis Edwards album, you're gonna find even doper stuff on it. Them deep cuts. You know what I'm saying? That's the tune that made the radio. There's probably some doper stuff on the record. So if you find value in this content, hit that like button, the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. That there's two fingers, baby.